Days are passing by, and as the dead are piling high, no escape and no salvation. Trenches to explosive holes are buried deep beneath the walls. Plant the child and watch the sails
What are you looking so angry for? How close is she? Huh?
So close.
So close, I know. Do you think she wants to give us kisses? Do you think she wants to be invited into our car?
Yeah. I think she wants to get in our car.
She wants to get in the boot, didn't she?
Yeah.
It seems like nobody can decide which way they want to go. They're all just like staggered or higgledy-piggledy. Is that even a word anymore? Just higgle. Nice brake lights, by the way. Who's ringing me? Higgledy-piggledy is a word, and I'm going to use it. What are you doing? Is anyone going to go? Jesus Christ, man, what a state to get in. Oh my god, oh my fucking god. Oh wow. Wow. If there ever was a reason to not just sit in the middle of the road flashing your lights like a complete freak, that would be the reason just there.
Oh!
Oh, you changed your
Oh, okay.
mind. Oh, they're not bad. Listen then. It's so bumpy when you jump over the roundabout like that. Well, I don't know. That's a funky looking ambulance. Nina.
Well, that one just...
Yeah, it was funny, wasn't it? Did you see that ambulance? It was a funny looking ambulance.
Yeah. But the one on that road.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
I know. It's good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a bit...
Whoa, sorry. Overtake the cyclist. Yay!
That was so loud.
I know, I'm sorry.
I haven't seen that.
No. Sorry for interrupting you, baby girl. She was just sat at a roundabout texting. Like, you tell me. How old are you?
4.
You're 4. Should you use your phone when you're driving?
No.
Right, okie dokie. You're 4 years old, you understand it's stupid. But nobody over there didn't quite understand that it's a stupid thing to do. Well done. Well, can we just clap for a minute? Clap. Hey! Idiot. Don't beep at him, he can't go nowhere, you bellend.
I'm going that way.
Wow.
Oh, bless it. That was proper peer pressure, wasn't it?
Yeah, I would have stayed there and I would have just put my handbrake on, turned my engine off.
Yeah.
Can I drive now? Can I drive?
I don't know what is going on today, Maisie Mill. There's these people coming out of spaces and blocking roads and how very odd. How very, very odd.
Can I drive?
Hang on, we've got to navigate through this mess. Jesus Christ, man.
Uh-oh.
It is isn't it, Maisie Mill? What's going on? Why are people such idiots today?
And obviously, if I'm going to do it every Friday, because that's the only days we can do. Yeah. I'll only be getting 2 lessons a month.
What the fuck?
What?
She's in there slapping her head.
Yeah, I've just seen that.
You seen that? I wonder if you can see on camera.
He was texting, and you can see his phone.
What?
Yeah.
Fuck off!
I know.
No.
Yeah.
You always wait till I got a mouthful of food.
I know.
Hey, yeet!
Wow.
Hold on, let me go.
It's a wall!
Alright, do me a favour, stop hitting the wall, yeah? Reverse out, we're all here.
I've got the wrong shoes on for this. You little fucker.
I don't want to hear, turn around when it's safe to do so, every 5 seconds.
little fucker. Who's that? Look what they've done.
Why, Alexi?
Benji's hearing things again.
Hey Benji, you know like we live in a free country
Whoa!
and then
Danny,
What
what
the
have you done?
fuck?
what?
Well done.
What?
I've seen that. Dickhead.
I may have died. Oh, what a noise, man! Wow! Good overtake. I know this video is coming out a little bit after Christmas, but I hope Santa brings you an exhaust. Oh, and a speedo, that works as well, because yours seems to be broken. Hey, Mazimo, can you do me a favour?
Why?
Can you say, good parking,
Good parking.
and then say, idiot.
Idiot.
Thank you. Oh, mama! It is super! I don't think he wanted to let me in, obviously. Dickhead.